case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, a landmark case was brought before the Supreme Court of the United States, Rankin v. McPherson. The central question of the case was whether a government agency had the right to dismiss a public employee based on her expressed views, if these views did not significantly disrupt efficient public service. The case began when Sheriff's Office Clerk Ardith McPherson made controversial comments during a private conversation, expressing the hope that an assassination attempt on the president would be successful and making racially charged remarks. Her comments were overheard by a co-worker, Lawrence Jackson, ultimately leading to her dismissal from the county constable's office. Asserting that her termination was a violation of her constitutional free speech rights, McPherson sued the constable under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. In response to the lawsuit, a lower court initially ruled in favor of the constable's office. McPherson then took her case to the Court of Appeals, who reversed the previous judgment and ruled that her dismissal had been improper. The constable subsequently appealed to the Supreme Court. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court stated that McPherson's dismissal was, indeed, a violation of her First Amendment rights, overturning her termination. They declared that her controversial comments were protected under the First Amendment as a matter of public concern and did not significantly disrupt the efficiency of the public services her office provided. The High Court placed emphasis on the fact that no evidence had been presented to suggest that McPherson's private speech discredited her office or was heard by any members of the public. The burden of caution to be held by public servants in their expression, suggested the court, should vary based on an employee's role and scope of authority. As McPherson's comments did not threaten the functioning of the agency, her termination was not warranted. Therefore, the Supreme Court maintained the ruling of the Court of Appeals, concluding that McPherson's dismissal had been improper because it was based on statements protected under the First Amendment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.